Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I'm all about promoting a healthy lifestyle, both mind, body, and spirit. And today I'm giving an update on my Aero Garden. I posted a video about 2 weeks ago with the progress of the pods after 2 weeks of being planted. And they had started to grow, and now it's been 30 days and they have really sprouted up. So this is just an update on the growth. These are very healthy looking, and it looks like they're ready to be harvested. So let me give you a closer look at it. Hold on. This is the Genovese basil here in the back. So I'm going to trim that off at the top. This is the Thai basil. Okay, it's ready to be harvested too. This is the mint. Okay, I'm going to chop off some of that and put it in my ginger tea. And the dill has just been growing like crazy. I've already had to chop it off several times. And I'm going to dry it and put it over popcorn. I like dill popcorn. Use the dill for a potato salad and lots of things you use dill for. I'm just going to chop it. And then my curly parsley, it's just now starting to sprout. The thyme, which was here, it was here, but it did not sprout at all. So I just covered up the hole. I did contact the Aero Garden support, and they are sending me another pod for the thyme. So these are my fresh herbs ready to be harvested. So I'm just going to start now. You're not supposed to cut off more than 1/3 of it. So I'm just going to top off this little top here. It's ready. Look at that. Good fresh basil. And I'm going to have pizza today. And I'm going to chop up the basil and put it over my pizza. That's going to be good. This is another one that's ready to come off. Just chop it nice, healthy. That's ready. Ooh, I smell it. It smells good. And I'm going to chop this one off right at where this is the Thai basil. I'm looking forward to having some fresh herbs. Now the dill, that's the mint. I think I'll let it grow just a little bit more, but the dill, it's really ready to be harvested. So now these I will just top off right here and leave those little sprouts there. This one doesn't have any sprouts at the top, so I'll just use that. Now this one has dried out, so I won't use that one. So, in here you can see some fresh ones growing. So I'm just going to continue to harvest these, cut off my dill tops, and I'm ready for some good fresh herbs on my dishes, on my salads. Like I said, I'm going to add some of the basil on my pizza, and just all kinds of recipes you can use these for. All right. Thanks for joining. God bless.